Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to remove video background in CapCut PC. First, put the video to the timeline. I'm making this short. Cut it. Control C and Control V make a copy, or you can long press the Alt key and drag to the upper side. On the right side, go to the video, click on remove BG, click on the auto remove, click on the library and take any background you want to put in. Here I am taking this background and drag to the in between two layer. Cut it. That's it. Now let's play it how it looks. Wow, this is super easy and it looks so cool. So in this way you can easily remove the video background in CapCut. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.